Let's learn about converting yards to feet. Our problem here is to convert 5 yards to feet, and we're given this hint. 1 yard is equal to 3 feet. So if we want to convert yards to feet, our goal is here to take how many 5 yards, and we want to see how many feet that is. So we're going to use our rate here, a unit rate here, that for every 3 feet, that's equal to 1 yard. So 3 feet over 1 yard, because remember, 3 feet equals 1 yard, and like 1 over 1 is equal to 1, doesn't really change this problem here. But it's going to cancel out our units. Our yards cancel here, and 5 times 3 gives us a 15. We have feet. We're divided by 1. Don't need to write that. And there we have it. We've converted 5 yards to feet and got 15 feet. I hope you learned something here about converting yards to feet, and as always, thanks for watching.